Jamaica stamped its authority on regional basketball over the weekend, delivering a standout performance at the inaugural FIBA Under-23 3-on-3 Caribbean Cup staged in the Bahamas from December 10 to 14. Jamaica ended the tournament with double glory as both the men's and women's teams captured championship honors in their respective competitions. The women were simply dominant as they powered through the tournament unbeaten, dispatching Trinidad and Tobago, the Cayman Islands, St. Lucia, home team the Bahamas, and Haiti on their way to lifting the title in convincing fashion. Meanwhile, the Jamaican men showcased resilience and championship character. After a fourth-place finish in Stop 1, they regrouped and returned with renewed focus in Stop 2. Their campaign culminated in a dramatic overtime victory over Haiti, sealing the championship in a tense and hard-fought encounter. The twin triumph marked a historic showing for Jamaica at the region's newest 3-on-3 basketball showcase, underlining the country's growing strength and depth in the sport.